Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining us here at Banknote Trading, where we take a look at the US dollar pairs in the Forex market. Today, we'll start by taking a look at GBP USD on the 4-hour chart. As you can see, we're still in the range that we've been mapping out. Now, let's go ahead and map this out. It's one of the weaker dollar pairs that hasn't broken the strong lower high indicated at the top of the chart. Higher highs, higher lows. Remember, this was the tariff news, so this retraced back into discount and formed a higher low. So right now, there's been a wick on the 4-hour candles retracing back up. So if this was the higher low, could anticipate this possibly being another bullish push to start breaking out past these highs and break out past the strong lower high. Like I said, the other dollar pairs have already broken out past this, but this does look like the weakest one because it hasn't broken out past the range that it is previously in, the bearish shift down. So we're looking to see if this higher low stands, and if the price can start pushing past these highs here, then I'll be looking to see if there's any opportunities to take a buy in order to see if these highs will be targeted and continue pushing forward. EUR USD making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Pulled back. If this is the higher low, then we expect this to hold and start targeting these highs, just like with GBP USD. Let's go ahead and map out the range. But all this is contingent on any tariff news, because any tariff news, like we've been saying, will push the price back further down and start breaking new lows. We're looking to see if there's any type of bullish momentum shift, if the buyers have stepped back in to start pushing past these highs and these highs in order to continue targeting these highs and start a markup and a bullish trend out of the range. AUD USD. As I've been saying, it's been trading sideways recently, but what I was perceiving this to be a spring to break past these highs, but right now we're trending sideways. Let's go ahead and map out the range. So I was saying that the market is fractal, so it looks like this was also trading sideways, had a possibly a spring liquidity sweep, but it hasn't broken past these highs. With AUD USD, Trump said that that Australia is exempt from the tariffs, so it would make the Aussie dollar more bullish. So would expect these highs to be broken and this high to be broken, and I'll be looking for any opportunity to take any pullback in order to place any buys to continue pushing to higher highs out of this range and out of this accumulation pattern. But it would depend on how the other dollar pairs are performing against any type of dollar news. Powell speaking today. We'll see if there's any type of momentum shift in the bullish direction. NZD USD, similar situation. Like I've been saying, let's go ahead and map out the range. Again, I perceive this to be a liquidity sweep or a what I call spring from this setup. Didn't push past the highs, just like with AUD USD. Now it's retraced back. Bring on any further news, could be forming a bull flag. Let's see, bull flag pattern. High probability that once this breaks out, it will continue target these highs. Be waiting for any type of pullback to capitalize on any bullish momentum, see any setups for any buys, and then continue pushing forward. That will confirm this accumulation pattern. Not just looking for any buy setups. Like I said, after these highs are taken out, there's liquidity sitting above these highs, and then I would expect for that to continue and then take out these highs to finally break out of this range and then continue pushing forward. With GBP AUD, I said from the zoom out, from the daily perspective, this had from the previous videos been hit the 50% mark, retraced up. Pushed further, but didn't break any highs. Then it came back, and I was waiting to see what happens in this demand zone. And as you can see, at least with GBP AUD, it has tapped into this demand zone, swept the liquidity, and has started to respond from it. I'm looking to see if it could break out past this, then it confirm a bearish momentum in order to take any sales. But now, judging from this, I'm waiting to see any type of buying opportunities. To buy right now would be more aggressive. I would wait, and it's not any investment advice or anything like that, but what I'd be looking for is to break this high and then start looking for any opportunities and place my buy orders. Right now, like I said, it'll be aggressive because this was a strong impulsive move, and this also was an impulsive move that it was continuation impulsive move that continued to break structure. So I'd wait to see a confirmation, even though this does look like a strong reaction from this demand zone. I'm waiting for another confirmation to make sure that the bulls and the buyers are back in by breaking this high. Looking for any type of opportunity then, but it does look like it's a strong reaction from this demand zone. I've been saying with GBP NZD, it was the same situation. Similar chart. This, from the daily perspective, went back into discount, traded up, retraced back. I was saying it should. This is also the demand zone from. Looks similar to GBP AUD. But I was saying yesterday that since this is already consolidating and hadn't touched the demand zone, I'd be looking for any opportunity for the price to break out of this range also, even though it may not hit the demand zone like with GBP AUD, which this also wicked in the similar fashion. So I'll be waiting to see if this can break out of this range that is in here. But just like with GBP AUD, that's not. It would be an aggressive play to try to buy now and wait to see if these highs can be broken, and then a retracement, and then place my buy orders to continue targeting these highs and then the higher highs. So that's all I have for you today. Thank you for joining us.